Assalamu alaikum. My name is Simon Az. I'm student of MPhil Microbiology at KUST, the third International Brain and Biomedicine Conference, which focuses on brain, body, and society, reshaping mental health in AI-driven era. Organized by Department of Physiology and Department of Pharmaceutics, Government College University, Faisalabad. My topic is comparative analysis of microbial community structure and functional metabolic diversity across different aquatic ecological niches. Research question and approach. Primary objective. Compare taxonomic composition and metabolic gene repertoires across marine, freshwater, and subsurface systems. Quantify relationships with physiochemical gradients. Approach. Shotgun metagenomics, 16S ribosomal RNA amplicon sequencing, environmental metadata collection, and multi-layered bioinformatic pipeline for functional annotation and pathway reconstruction. Analysis. Diversity matrices, differential abundance, multivariate ordination, and correlation of metabolic modules with environmental covariates. Marine system. Diversity and phototrophic carbon cycling. Marine sample exhibited the highest alpha diversity and an abundance of phototrophic lineages. Functional signature elevated gene for photosynthesis, carbon fixation, ribulose 1,5 biphosphate carboxylase oxygenase, and CBB, Kelvin Benson Besson, and diverse heterotrophic carbon degradation pathways. Light and temperature gradients strongly structure community composition. Implication: phototrophy linked metabolic networks sustain surface ocean productivity and influence global carbon flux. Freshwater systems: variability driven by nutrients and seasonality. Freshwater communities show high temporal variability. Nutrient pulses, nitrogen, phosphorus, and seasonal turnover shifted community dominance between heterotroph and photoautotrophs. Functional enrichment included eutrophication related pathways, rapid organic matter decomposition, and dynamic nitrogen transforming genes. Strong link between nutrient loading and bloom of opportunistic taxa. Frequent shifts in nitrification, denitrification gene abundance. Higher beta diversity across times than marine sites. Subsurface habitats, low energy specialists, and anaerobic metabolisms. Subsurface environments hosted lower taxonomic richness but high functional specialization. Communities were enriched in anaerobic respiration pathway, sulfate reduction, methanogenesis, hydrogen metabolism, and gene for complex polymer degradation under low energy regimes. These communities are key players in long-term carbon storage and subsurface biogeochemical resilience. Comparative functional patterns. This quantitative summary displays relative enrichment of key metabolic processes across sample niches, normalized enrichment scores from annotated metagenomes. Photosynthesis dominates marine surface communities. Nitrogen cycling is prominent in nutrient impacted freshwater. Sulfur and methanogenesis increases in subsurface zone. Note: scores are illustrative of comparative enrichment derived from annotation frequency within each environment. Environmental drivers, gradients and selection, oxygen availability. Number 1. Strong determinant of aerobic vs anaerobic pathway drives selection for oxidative metabolism or alternative electron acceptors. Number 2. Light and temperature directly influence photodrop abundance and enzymatic rates. Thermal niches shape community composition and metabolic kinetics. Number 3. Nutrient concentration and pulses alter competitive dynamics and promote opportunistic taxa. Nutrient loading intensifies nitrogen and phosphorus driven processes. Number 4. Energy availability. Low energy subsurface settings select for efficient slow growth specialists and syntrophic partnerships supporting fermentation and methanogenesis. Implications: for biogeochemical cycles and environmental change. Findings link microbial composition to ecosystem level processes. Marine phototrophy influences carbon sequestration, freshwater nutrient dynamics modulate nitrogen fluxes and eutrophication risk. Subsurface anaerobe regulate greenhouse gas production, methane, and long-term carbon turnover. Environmental perturbation, warming, eutrophication, deoxygenation are likely to reshape metabolic capacities with cascading effects on biogeochemical balance. Conclusions, limitations, and next step. Conclusions. Distinct aquatic niches harbor predictable taxonomic and functional signatures driven by environmental selection. Metabolic specialization align with local physiochemical constraints. Limitation. Spatial sampling density and temporal coverage vary across niches. Metagenomic annotations depend on database completeness and may underrepresent novel functions. Next step. Increase longitudinal sampling, integrate metatranscriptomics and single cell genomics to resolve active functions and model ecosystem responses to projected environmental change. Thank you.